My Civic, I'm dipping in my Civic, I'm bouncing in my Civic, I'm riding in my Civic, I got the Greek ass Civic.
Y'all, this boy, let's Silverado back with another one. Pops is back rolling. Like 98, 99 tires. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna need some work. Like we need some shocks and shit. Either on the front side or the back side. Man. You know, I might got some shocks at the crib too. For that back, for the back. If that what it needs. All the door handles intact, like the shit actually don't look bad. Yeah, and the interior don't look bad.
No,
Like
you can
at
tell
all
it ain't
for
been
us.
no bunch of baby kids up in there and shit.
Yeah.
You know, if they did,
like
they
the
cleaned it
little-
up, but I don't think it, because he said his sister was just driving it to school.
Ah, okay. Like these little vent joints, so you can go
Oh,
get a whole vent from the junkyard.
Right.
Like you said, the door handle, that's too easy.
Right.
It ain't nothing but like 3 rivets, because I had to replace the one on the other one.
On yours? It's got a little bit of exhaust leak, but it ain't that bad. See, I don't see no major, you know, like no major oil leaks and shit.
Probably need a tire.
Huh?
Maybe like a tire back there. But this interior, like I am. Matter of fact, when I go to the junkyard and I see little shit, I'ma just grab it. You know what I'm saying? Like bouncing and shit. A little vent right there. Little thing right there. You know what I'm saying? Little thing back there. Small shit though. But it be a little good as shit on the inside for the age. Like real nice.
Damn, that shit there.
Yeah, it's a truck.
Right.
It'd be alright. Like the fact that that's all it got after all these years, like that's cool. You know what I'm saying? Probably need like, see that could be another thing too, because it ain't got all the same tires all the way around.
Right.
So you put you know what I'm saying, the other joint, you know what I'm saying, put the right side tires all the way around it, it'll probably ride a whole lot better too. So like put the same size in the back that's in the front.
Huh?
I said put the same size.
Yeah, these
on
two
the front
is the
that's in
same.
the back.
These two is the same here.
Yeah.
See,
So
put
I'm saying
all
put the
tires-
back. Well, I'm just saying get 2 more tires, but that size, the size of the back, not the front. Because I think the factory.
As long as it crank up and go.
Yeah, I mean the factory size is supposed to be 235/75.
That's probably this.
Yeah, 235/75. So you get a
bigger
couple of
tire.
them. Yeah, be good to go. Just not bad, not bad at all.
I don't think so. Shit.
Not
My
bad at
sister,
all.
man. Shit. I don't know what I would.